Understanding way back in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in English, way back. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of English. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clarify. Whether you're an English learner or just brushing up on your skills, this video is for you. Way back is a phrase that combines two words, way, which often implies a large degree or extent, and back, which refers to a position or time in the past. When used together, way back means a long time ago or far in the past. It's often used to emphasize how long ago something happened or how far back in time something dates. Now, let's look at how to use way back in sentences. This phrase can be used in different contexts, but its core meaning remains the same, referring to a distant point in the past. 1. Historical references. The tradition dates way back to the 18th century. 2. Personal memories. I remember, way back in my childhood, we used to play by the river. 3. Comparisons. Things were way different way back then. 4. Storytelling. Way back in those days, the village was a different place. Notice how in each case, way back sets the scene for a time that is significantly distant from the present. When learning this phrase, it's important to avoid certain common mistakes. Don't confuse with way back when. Sometimes people say way back when, which is a more informal and indefinite way of saying a long time ago. However, way back is often more specific. Context matters. Be sure not to use way back when referring to recent past events. It's meant for distant times, not just for time. Occasionally, way back can refer to a far place in terms of distance, but this is less common. Let's put your understanding to the test. Try forming sentences using way back in the comments below. For example, I found this old coin way back in the attic. Share your sentences, and I'll give feedback. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, way back. I hope this has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. English is full of such interesting phrases, and learning them can be really rewarding. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep trying to use way back in your conversations or writing. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious.